Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I got this Arrogant Tae Inspired Install featuring LuvMeHair, stay tuned.
Honey. If your car don't skirt, she gon' leave your ass in the past. If that money don't then it ain't long enough, nigga.
I wonder what is inside. So I ordered this hair from LuvMeHair and I seen so many reviews on them and I just wanted to do a box opening. Look how beautiful their box is, y'all. So let's just open that up and see what's inside.
I'm not checking my fucking coat. I'll give you the money for the coat, but like I'm not checking my coat. I'm taking this shit with me, man.
Hey Yeti, turn that shit the fuck up.
I'ma air the club out in my mom car. I'ma duck them bullets in my goose, nigga. Real shooters, we salute niggas. Fendi jacket, but we Gucci, nigga. I'ma air the club out in my mom car. I'ma duck them bullets in my goose, nigga. Real shooters, we salute niggas. Fendi jacket, but we Gucci, nigga. The street is hungry, but the
I'm going to show you guys what to do with this later. So this is the wig. It is 22 inches, 13 by 6 inch lace. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it has these 2 clips right here that is for the elastic band that I showed you guys earlier. I love the large combs in the back, but let's just get into the instructions. Just a quick tip, Tae over bleaches his lace to give you a more skin light look, so that's what we're doing, even though the wig came bleached already.
it's hot, but that won't stop a nigga, that's how odds get shot. Bust a nigga top if he act over the top, but that won't stop a nigga, that's how odds get shot. Track star, baby, I'ma run it up. Pussy nigga capping, but his time is up. Turn him to an angel, now he really up. Put him on a t-shirt, now he really up. My bitch said she want a MacBook for Christmas, so I got her a Mac 9 for Christmas. Told her baby fold these pussy niggas like a book. Pussy nigga running like he heard the whoop whoop. Cold winter, cold winter. Long nights. Burberry trench master off-whites. Burberry trench master off-whites. I'ma air the club out in my mom car. I'ma duck them bullets in my goose, nigga. Real shooters, we salute niggas. Fendi jacket, but we Gucci, nigga. I'ma air the club out in my mom car. I'ma duck them bullets in my goose, nigga. Real shooters, we salute niggas. Fendi jacket, but we Gucci, nigga. She gon' leave your ass in the past. If that money don't then it ain't long enough, nigga. She an independent woman now, cause she make her own money. She don't need me for nothing, nah. That's all she really tell me. Oh, you a city girl, oh, you a hot girl. I'ma buy you Gucci if you fuck for it. Everybody talking, and it's all about you.
Bro, why the hot comb just burnt my hair?
We're trending topic, girl, you got these bitches pressed. Girl, you got these niggas pressed to fuck, but you ain't really impressed. You ain't really impressed by much. She the meanest bitch in the room right now. Shorty bad, lock her up. She the meanest bitch in the room right now. Shorty bad, lock her up. You a disrespectful bitch. Only calls her drugs and dick. When I hit her line, I get no reply. Man, you love that toxic shit. You a disrespectful bitch. Only calls her drugs and dick. When I hit her line, I get no reply. Man, she love that toxic shit. If you don't got it, she gon' get it, period. And she won't hear it if she ain't billionaire. She didn't graduate, but she plan to. Her face don't show what she been through. Niggas try to holler, but she ain't got no time for no plans. Cause her and her 2 friends, they go everywhere. They do everything. Uber's home from the city, now she acting high sedity. She make a nigga wanna groove. She make a nigga wanna diddy bop bop. Tell a broke nigga move. Then he hit rock, rock. She the meanest bitch in the room right now. Shorty bad, lock her up. She the meanest bitch in the room right now. Shorty bad, lock her up. You a disrespectful bitch. Only calls for drugs and dick. When I hit her line, I get no reply. Man, you love that toxic shit. You a disrespectful bitch. Only calls for drugs and dick. When I hit her line, I get no reply. Man, she love that toxic shit. She work a 9 to 5, but she ball on the weekends. She be on my mind, but I won't let her know it.
Lucas.
I just need to have control over every situation I involve myself in. I need to know how I'm spending my time before I make the time to spend. But you have to be available for me night and day. I need whoever I'm fucking with to know that there's a possibility you might get hurt. And don't be pussy about it. I've had niggas rap to me and sing to me before. That's what y'all about to do, huh?
I know you just wanna hurt me. You know exactly what to say. I know she going crazy. If it's not her way, then there's no other way. Baby, I'm not tryna hurt you. I know exactly what to say, but I just wanna see you. If I can't pull up in the night, I'ma pull up in the day. Give a fuck what you saying. If I can't pull up in the night, I'ma pull up in the day. You gotta make time to spend time, yeah. And I don't wanna waste time, yeah. I heard about your body through the grapevine, yeah. Won't show no love, but you take mine, yeah. Ring me around cause you're moody, yeah. Yeah, you got options, choose me, yeah. Yeah, you got options, don't lose me. How you pick the wrong ones, but so choosy. She just need a little guidance, direction. She can never get enough of attention. She wants a sexual experience without the reputation. Don't listen to them bitches, they be hating. 2 or 3 niggas that she's dating, so she's never paying, but she got her own shit. Go, baby, you deserve it. Yeah, yeah. I know you just wanna hurt me. You know exactly what to say. I know she going crazy. If it's not her way, then there's no other way. Baby, I'm not tryna hurt you. I know exactly what to say, but I just wanna see you. If I can't pull up in the night, I'ma pull up in the day. Give a fuck what you saying. If I can't pull up in the night, I'ma pull up in the day.
Time on the wristwatch, I should put my mind on the wristwatch. Tick-tock, time bomb, show you any way to get your mind blown. Focus, in and out the hour, different time zone. Oh, this you and me thing, need to stop ASAP. Cause I'm known from way back to keep out 2 or 3 things. Beast thing, cover yellow, hammer my peace thing. I'll show you how to get it, it's a street thing. It's a G thing. I'ma cop a brand new phone, never leasing. Propaganda on me, Prada fleece thing. Breaking new Dior kicks, rockin' Brooklyn, then we got the floor seats. Flying private jet and leather forces. I'ma break a sweat, don't make me nauseous. She wanna protect to keep her promise. I just met her in the section of best stores. If she want me to pay, if I can pull up in the night, then I'ma pull up in the day.
I know you just wanna hurt me. You know exactly what to say. I know she going crazy. If it's not her way, then there's no other way. Baby, I'm not tryna hurt you. I know exactly what to say, but I just wanna see you. If I can't pull up in the night, I'ma pull up in the day.
So pause really quick. I'm going to tell you guys something. You're going to part off each section, and these are the areas where you're going to pick out where you want your baby hairs to go. And this is how you're going to do your baby hairs. Once you figure out the placement that you want your baby hairs to go, you're going to pluck in this direction, in these swoops. You need to stay in these swoops. So basically pluck around the parts that you made for your baby hairs, and then you could cut your baby hairs a lot shorter than I did. I actually did that later on, but I didn't show it on camera.
Give a fuck what you saying. If I can pull up in the night, I'ma pull up in the day. What's in your cup, don't lie. What's in your mind, don't lie to me. You take your hips and you whine and you shake them. You take hearts and you twist and you break them. Don't wanna slut alone, so she go and get her best friend. Tryna fuck rich niggas from the West End. She wanna smoke, she wanna drink. Her nigga in her ass, she can't think. There she go, on the road to my show, taking shots of Patron. She don't take things slowly. She hit my phone and said she gonna get her best friend, cause she don't wanna slut alone. She a bad girl, and she do bad things. A bitch to rob you on the first link, and she gon' W twice for the first link, and she gon' W twice. She don't wanna slut alone, so she go and get her best friend. Tryna fuck rich niggas from the West End. She wanna smoke, she wanna drink. Her nigga in her ass, she can't think. She in her zone, and I got my gang here, don't come alone. Bring them bitches that was dancing to the song. I ain't never seen bad bitches get along. That's cause they sharing dick. Hopped out the Uber, you cannot lose her. You never had her, that's when I grabbed her. When I first met the bitch, she used to sell lashes. Now she wanna sell work. Now she wanna pop pussy and perks. She used to work all day, her feet hurt. Now she make a couple bands off her twerk. And she don't wanna slut alone. She don't wanna slut alone. So she go and get her best friend. Tryna fuck rich niggas from the West End. She wanna smoke, she wanna drink. Her nigga in her ass, she can't think. There she go, on the road to my show, taking shots of Patron. She don't take things slowly. She hit my phone and said she gonna get her best friend,